Good day everyone, I am Lance Kenneth F. Bautista and I'm here to demonstrate how to pronounce distress message, urgency message, and safety message. And now, let's proceed. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Microstep MMSI 3518-25000. Call sign Alpha Charlie Delta Foxtrot Golf. Position 20 degree 38.5 north, 107 degree 19.1 east. I am sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 6 people on board, including 2 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. One lifeboat has 3 people on board, including the casualties. The other lifeboat has 1 person on board. Over. Pan. All stations. This is 2112-39680. Motor vessel Philip. Call sign Kilo 55 Mike. Position 57 degree 13.3 minute north, 008 degree 3.3 east. I have problems with engines. I required tug assistance. Over. Security. All ships in area of San Fernando Reef. This is 2113-60923. Motor vessel Portland. Call sign Foxtrot Hotel Tango Zulu. Dangerous wreck located in position 3 nautical mile south of San Fernando Reef. Over.